Everything in this universe works according to the law of balance. Everything in this universe is in resonance and alignment with the harmony of balance. In other words, nothing can exist without balance. When we understand this foundational principle of how the universe works, it will help us see through the illusions that we believe in our day-to-day life because we forgot the principles that the universe is built on. What we perceive as the end also begins a new beginning. What we perceive as destruction also marks the beginning of a new creation. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this foundational teaching when it comes to the harmony of balance and the law of balance, it's the fact that being coherent and congruent on all dimensions of your beings is the most important thing that you can do when it comes to living a balanced life and living in harmony with your highest potential. My name is Jason Shurka, and this is Forming the Formless, accessing and elevating your spirit and soul.